Welcome back to Guitalele Tutorials. Today we are going to look into another building block of strumming, the upstrum. Upstrums are similar to downstrums and as easy as a downstrum. But so far in this series we have not done an upstrum, so might feel different during first few attempts. Don't be scared, after this lesson you will feel much confident on upstrums. The first thing and quite obvious about upstrums is that they come in between downstrums. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's count the ants. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. We are already doing upstrokes during downstrums too. Only thing is that we are not hitting strings. Now this is a strumming exercise, so we are muting the strings first. Next we start with not hitting the strings and just counting. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. The very next thing is to move on to Guitalele and try on it. First, try to hit each string during each strum. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Easy, right? Pause the video here and give this a go. Your arm should be quite relaxed and not have a robotic move. Remember, music is all about feel. So if you are not relaxed, that will reflect in your music. It is always a good idea to count along while performing strums. Developing the relationship between the counts and the downstrums and ends with upstrums is really an important thing. You should be tapping your foot along with all these. So the overall hand to foot coordination will make whole lot of difference. Usually during an upstrum we touch the thinnest 3 or 4 strings and not all. During slow and concentrated practice we will not show you that, but generally when you are playing along beats and strumming, this is the case. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. I don't know how much you can see because the thinnest 3 strings are quite transparent to see, but you can see the thickest 3 strings, right? So if we down and up strum, so you can see that which strings are, if these 2 strings are moving or not. Okay, so I'm showing the down strums and up strums. So down up, 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 down up. Okay, so you can see these 2 strings are not moving during an upstrum. Now there are 2 reasons behind that. First is that not all chords use the thickest strings like G major, D major, G minor, D minor. In those cases, stopping our hand at 4th or 5th string will be difficult. Secondly, it sounds a lot better without the thickest 2 strings on return. Listen for yourself. Here is all strings upstrums. And here is the normal version. Keep that in mind while practicing the upcoming strumming patterns. That's all about upstrums. Meet you in next lesson with strumming patterns.